In the sweltering heat of August, a city flourished, its people oblivious to the storm brewing on the horizon. Hiroshima, Japan, was a bustling metropolis, teeming with life and energy, a testament to the resilience of its inhabitants. But beneath the surface, the world was on the brink of a new era. The Second World War had ravaged the globe, and the Allied powers, led by the United States, sought an end to the devastation. A secret weapon, a game-changer, was developed in a remote laboratory, its potential both terrifying and awe-inspiring. The morning of August 6, 1945, dawned clear and bright. Little did the citizens of Hiroshima know that their lives were about to change forever. As the sun rose, a silver plane, the Enola Gay, soared into the sky, carrying a payload that would alter the course of history. The Enola Gay, piloted by Colonel Paul Tibbets, was on a mission. The bomb it carried was no ordinary weapon. It was an atomic bomb, a device capable of harnessing the raw power of the atom. As the plane approached Hiroshima, the crew prepared for the unimaginable. At 8:15 a.m., the Enola Gay dropped its payload over the city. A flash of blinding light, brighter than 1,000 suns, engulfed Hiroshima. A deafening roar filled the air as the bomb detonated, unleashing a devastating wave of energy. The city was instantly obliterated. Buildings were reduced to rubble, trees were flattened, and the ground was scorched. A firestorm raged, consuming everything in its path. Thousands of lives were lost in an instant, the toll of the tragedy unfathomable. In the aftermath, the city was a desolate wasteland. The once vibrant streets were now silent and empty. The few survivors wandered through the ruins, shocked and dazed, struggling to comprehend the destruction. The atomic bombing of Hiroshima was a turning point in history. It marked the dawn of the atomic era and forced the world to confront the terrible power of the atom. The horrific events of that day serve as a stark reminder of the destructive potential of human ingenuity. The aftermath of the bombing was a time of healing and rebuilding. Despite the devastation, the people of Hiroshima refused to be broken. They rebuilt their city and their spirit, a testament to their resilience and determination. The atomic bombing of Hiroshima is a dark chapter in human history. It serves as a reminder of the destructive potential of technology and the need for caution in its use. As we look back on that fateful day, we are reminded of the terrible power we wield and the responsibility that comes with it.